Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the Lasham Daily Briefing for today, Thursday, the 16th of May, 2024. So, as usual, we'll start off with the synoptic situation. I can count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, possibly 6 lows, all in the immediate 800 miles from UK, which is not normally a very good sign. So this was midnight last night. This main low here was centered over the Bay of Biscay, and if I run that forward to midday today, it hasn't moved very far. However, we are now being attacked by this warm front, stroke occluded front, which is coming slowly our way from the northeast. And you notice there are various trough lines around, which could influence some of our weather later on today. Spot winds today are indicating northeast, 10 knots thereabouts, and cloud. Here you can see this cloud now associated with that warm front, stroke occluded front that's popping in from the northeast. And if I leave this forward on the far side now, you can see it's encroached over us already. Nice weather out over Wales, but what we're stuck with is this big batch of cloud, which is going to keep the temperatures down and is also possibly going to stop us flying earlier today. Rain-wise, you can see rain associated with that front now. We're obviously clearly at the end of it now, but it's definitely coming our way. And I estimate the rain's probably going to be around about 11 o'clock. And the rain forecast, the Met rain forecast, seems to indicate that's going to be true, 10:45 or thereabouts. Now, they are going to be showers, so it is possible that we may get some slots around them. So I think we just need to persevere a little bit. It could be lucky that we don't get any, or unlucky that we get longer than we need to. So we do need to be mindful of that. Bentworth is not quite so encouraging. They're saying we're going to have rain all day. I don't fully believe that. And winds anywhere between east and south, even maybe southwest this afternoon, evening, when that front actually hits us. But I think we'll be well tucked in bed by then. GFS max temperature today, they're talking around about 12, and the dew point's down at about 10, so that's not giving me a very big split. Actual forecast at Lasham at the moment, they're indicating 12 degrees, 10 degrees dew point, and a very, very slight northeasterly flow. Dave is indicating lingering Q and Q NIMS base 15 to 2,000 foot later, some showers, and there may possibly be a little bit of local sawing under the showers, but there's going to be a lot of cloud cover. And the view outside the window, so you can see this upper cloud now. This is actually obviously looking towards the southwest, and the weather's coming from behind us, but it's a similar sort of picture no matter where you look out the sky. Okay, Odium is indicating 2 knots from the northwest, broken cloud at 100 feet. But if we run through the day, they're saying we should have between 10 o'clock and 7 o'clock local, scattered clouds 1,500 foot, possible rain showers, and broken clouds at 1,000 foot with QNIMs at 30% probability. So we just need to be mindful of that. Farnborough is very similar, actually, 2 knots variable, broken clouds 300 becoming 1,500, which is probably what we've got outside the window now. But between 11 and 4 local, possible rain showers, and later on again they're talking about QNIM, so we do need to be careful. I just run this significant weather through for Top Meteo. So this is at 1 o'clock this afternoon, and that's when the showers are definitely in our area. If you run it forwards though, the showers are more to the west of us and not actually over us. So we could actually be good to around about 1 o'clock. There's a little window there, perhaps with some showers coming through about 10 or 11. So running it through, we may or may not hit them showers. They're certainly going to be worse to the west of us initially. So we'll see. Sky sights very indicated very similar. No real decent weather at all. Some overcast stroke cumulus. Base around about 2,000 feet later on, 1 o'clock, but otherwise not sawable at all. Wind, light wind, from around about the northeast direction. NOTAMs, no real NOTAMs to affect us. I've made a note of a couple which are local. I don't think they're going to be causing any issues today. 34 and 35 are danger areas over just in the Farnborough area. 29 is live firing at Barton Stacey. 32 and 34 are danger areas again, but that's not till 8 o'clock this evening, so we should be fine now. Okay, then, so for operations today, we did have a twin was going to be coming in around 3 o'clock this afternoon. I've just had confirmation that's been cancelled. So weather-wise, going to be overcast, some soaring to about 2,500 foot if we're lucky between showers, but the showers will be starting from around about 11 a.m, possibly heavy. A light northeasterly flow all day will set up on runway 09. 1K21 on the booking list, Bob Johnson. 1K21 on the course, Mike Birch. A K21 on the casual list. I've got a K13 book with Richard Moyes first thing, and then it'll be available for casual flying. And our brand new K21 is on site. Hopefully we'll have that flying in the next 2 or 3 days. All the single seats are available, not booked today. Thanks for all the useful work with the buggies, and the simulator course is available. Booking list, Bob Johnson, he's got 3 students allocated. None of the single seaters booked. And casual list, we've got Jade low on it. Chris Marin, thankfully, is going to instruct, so he'll be available for her perhaps. And otherwise, no trial flights. Ken Moore and John Wright have got a K13 booked. Fine, you can have that. So set up today then, usual easterly setup. Launch point to the south, any air toes to the north. Wind should be at the far end, and we've got a light northeasterly flow. Okay, right. I will see you out on the airfield shortly. Thanks very much for your time. Bye-bye.